Distributed computing. Distributed computing. Have you heard of this word, distributed computing? Do you know this time when a computer would take up a whole room? क्या हो गया उसको? What has happened? How is it that data has become so cheap to flow through and processing has become so easy? Can we do this with food? What did the engineers achieve when it came to supercomputing? What is it that they have really done? Hadoop सुना आपने नाम? Do you remember something called Hadoop? So basically क्या हुआ? एक computer था. One computer would do all the computing. That was kept like a box on our computer tables. What it had was two things. It had a processor and it had memory. It had storage. That's the hard disk. Okay? हम क्या करते थे कॉलेज में? आपको पता नहीं, आप उस टाइम से होगी नहीं. You take your hard disk around to meet friends and you copy data from them. Have you done this? Yeah, that's like you would do this with pen drives today. Back in the day, we used to take the hard disk from inside the box. Good times. Anyways, now what happened? People started saying, listen, we need a lot of computing. We need a lot of storage. This is not enough. How do we go about it? So they started putting up many computers inside their office. It was called on-premise hardware. You must be remembering it. अभी भी बहुत कंपनीज करती हैं ऑन प्रोमाइस, बट बेसिकली कर क्या रहे थे? हार्डवेयर अपनी ही दुकान में रखेंगे. ठीक है. कंपनीज लाइक गूगल एंड ऑल केम, दे सेड अरे सर इंटरनेट पे कर लो, सेम स्पीड पे मिलता है सब कुछ. कैसे? क्योंकि हम बाजू में ही करते हैं सारी कंप्यूटिंग. They started coming up with ideas. Google Chrome was born from there, the browser. The idea that you are going to be doing processing as close to the machine as possible, right there. तो स्टोरेज की रिक्वायरमेंट भी वहीं हो जाएगी, उसी की मशीन यूज करेंगे. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड कंप्यूटिंग का मतलब ये होता है कि आप कंप्यूटिंग को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हो, मतलब एक जगह नहीं कर रहे हो, तो आप रिमोट लोकेशन से कर सकते हैं. एंड दैट्स हाउ द इंटरनेट बिकेम सो पावरफुल. Okay, because so many companies invested money into putting up these physical routers and switches and infrastructure which allowed us as local mortal beings to access this wonderful thing called internet, जिस पे आप मुझको लाइव देख रहे हो अभी, जहां ना मेरा कॉस्ट आपको भेजने का कुछ है, ना आपका कॉस्ट ये देखने का कुछ है ना. हाँ, विंबलडन नहीं देख सकते आप, क्योंकि वो प्राइज्ड इवेंट है, उसकी लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग के लिए आपको पैसा देना पड़ेगा.